Welcome to Doing Makeup Over Hooded Eyes. I'm Peachy. Today's video is not about eye makeup, but something I've gotten a million requests about, and it's how I do my eyebrows. So I figured I would just make one video dedicated to them. It's super simple. I only use 2 products to get these bad boys perfect. Everything that I use in this video will be linked in the description below, so let's get into it. My go-to products are the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen in shade Espresso and the clear NYX Brow Glue. I've already trimmed them up this week, or I did like a week and a half ago. What I usually do, I just use one of these little shaver things and I go down the middle and then I shave off the ends of my brows a very tiny amount. I'll clean up stray hairs on the top and that's really it. I'm going to comb them up like this first and kind of place them where I want before we go in with the gel. The other thing that I do, sometimes these hairs right here get a little bit too long, so I'll just comb them and then just cut them straight across with some scissors. Just cut the little tops off so that it's even, if that makes sense. Next, I'm going to go in with the NYX Brow Glue and go back and forth to really coat the brow and then shape them with the same brush. Alright, I'm going to comb the front hairs up as much as I can. I usually like comb this part up and then start going straight out like this. And then I want my tail to go kind of up and out as well. That's basically the main reason why I shaved the ends of my brows off, is because I like them to go more straight out because they grow like straight down. Okay, now that the brows are mostly where I want them, I'm going to take this same applicator brush and just go across the tops until it's laid down. Then, to make sure my brows really stay in place, I'm going to take the end of a spoolie brush and then press them down. Now I like to take some micellar water on a Q-tip just to clean up the product that's around my brow because it doesn't sit under makeup very well. I'm gonna try to do this straight on with my little handheld mirror so you guys can see what I'm doing. I usually shake the pen up a little bit before I go in. I'm gonna start with the ends first. And when I say do this light-handed, do it very, very light-handed. That's the best way that you can get those little strokes. And also, holding your pen back farther on the end of it is gonna be a lot easier to get those like flicked strokes. And what I usually do is go for the gaps first and fill those in. Now I'm just making my tail. I like to do it from the top first and then bring the bottom out to meet it. Bro, what just happened over here? Like, why did it get so dark so fast? My pen must have like exploded or something. Okay, that's a little bit better, but dang, bro. Now, when I get to this part of my brow, I like to go down lower and then wipe it off later. I just think it's a cleaner cut most of the time, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, now I'm just going to take a Q-tip with some micellar water on it and wipe underneath. Trying to figure out how I can do the other one without like bumping my mic too much. right, are we even? I think we're very even. That's basically it. That's how I do my brows. I have been using these two products forever. If I had any kind of holy grail products, it would be these two things. I have used them on my brows for years and I love them. So I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be back. If you made it to the end of this video, congratulations, you are my favorite. Now, if you're finding me through YouTube, I actually do shorter form tutorials for hooded eyes over on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure to give me a follow over there. And as always, if this video was helpful to you at all and you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a like and even hit subscribe. That would mean the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.